Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and if you watch this channel, you know one of my fortes, one of the things I do, is I look through all the supplements on the market now is try to find the one that's best for you. If you're into vitamin C, I find the best vitamin C, I rank them all accordingly, and I give one an A+ rating, and let you know which ones are the absolute best. Well, today we're looking at collagen peptides 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. I had to check 10. And I found which one I think is the best, the one that's made in the USA, the one that's made with an eco-friendly processing, the ones that have the right peptides, the bovine peptides, the fish peptides, all the peptides you need has vitamin C in it. Which one is the best? Which one gets the A+ rating of the day? Well, guess what? It comes to us from Fresh Healthcare, which Fresh Healthcare always ranks very good in my rankings. They have a great process, great assembly, eco-friendly. They do everything to get the top end supplements. And why do I want it made in the USA?